completed by Mark Foster and Michael Thaney. Expression AI is an emotion-driven website that serves as a digital photo frame. It displays photos based on the emotion of the user. The technologies used include AWS Rekognition, Poly, Aurora Postgres SQL to store the image metadata, API Gateway, Lambda, CloudFront, S3 to store user images, static content, and the images displayed, Route 53 for DNS, and Certificate Manager for SSL/TLS. The features include recognition to display images based upon emotion. So we're going to do a little demo here. I'm going to smile.
Happy.
And what you're hearing is Poly is going to
Angry.
shout out the emotions that recognition detects.
Happy.
Also, Poly is used for the greeting when you first
Sad.
load the site. And what it's doing right now is using the web camera along with HTML video and canvas elements to handle video capture. It uses a CVS
Confused.
JavaScript component to just detect
Sad.
if there's a face in front of the camera.
Angry.
And if there is, then it'll start
Confused.
actually calling out to the recognition.
Welcome to Expression AI.
There's the welcome. It'll start calling out to AWS Rekognition when it sees a face. That's just so that if the camera is just sitting there looking at empty space, we're not making expensive API calls constantly. When the face is detected, it currently on the canvas it's uploaded to S3 for analysis, and then we make an AJAX call to API Gateway / Lambda. The Lambda function uses recognition to analyze the image in S3 and then calculate the dominant emotion of the image. It then makes a call to Aurora Postgres SQL DB to get the image metadata for that emotion. And then that metadata includes like the file name, the necessary data to link to the contributing photographer. The data is returned to the browser, which displays a random image for that particular emotion. So if it's angry, you might see stormy seas. If you're happy, you might see flowers or somebody smiling, and so on. And the bounding box for the recognition result is then drawn in the lower left-hand corner. I'll start this again so you can see that.
Happy.
And then you'll notice the bounding box fades. It's kind of telling you that that
Angry.
information is now out of date.
Happy.
Because this only actually sends a call
Angry.
up to AWS Aurora, the AWS API Gateway function every 4 seconds while there's a face detected.
Sad.
And then future uses for this thing might include like product
Angry.
recommendations based upon the user's emotion, and any number of other possible
Confused.
applications. And I also
Happy.
wanted to take a chance to give a special thanks to all
Sad.
the contributors to Unsplash that we used. That is an excellent resource
Angry.
without which this project would be pretty boring looking with my own photography. That's
Happy.
it. This is a project by Mark Foster and Michael
Angry.
Thaney, Expression AI.